am here to present my presentation on the topic of computer architecture. Now, first one is introduction of computer. Before it goes in deeply, we know about what is a computer. A computer is an electronic device which takes input from user, then give desired output. That is a meaningful to the user. Now, this is a computer. This is a monitor. Mainly we can say computer or monitor. This whole is a computer system. This is a CPU, this is a keyboard, and this is a mouse. Then history of computer. History of computer start from word computes or computer, which means to calculate. The idea of designing of computer originated from Chinese calculating device named abacus. It mainly contains a beads. Then history, there is many other inventions are done in the history of computer. That are Blaise Pascal's slide rule and some others are punch card. Then this is a analytic engine and invented by Charles Babbage in 1833 for their great contribution in the field of computer science. We can call them as a father of computer. Then evolution of computer. Evolution of computer is start from generations of computers. Then firstly, the first generation computer. The time period for first generation computer is 1940 to 1956. The main equipment is used in first generation computer is vacuum tube. Then examples are UNIVAC. Then second generation, the time period is 1956 to 1963. Then the equipment used are transistor. Then examples are IBM 1401, PDP 11. Then third generation computer, the time period for third generation computer are 1964 to 1971. Then equipment used for IC. IC is a integrated circuits. We can discuss equipments in. Then examples are IBM 370. Then fourth generation, then time period is 1972 to present. Then equipment are used microprocessors. Then examples are Intel 4001 and Intel 4004 is the first microprocessor. Then fifth generation, which is also known as future generation. The mainly goal of is create a computer that is take self decisions, and we can also call artificial intelligence means robots. Then first generation computer are used vacuum tube. Vacuum tubes are like this. It is a sealed glass tube containing a near vacuum which allows the free passage of electric current. This is a vacuum tube. Then evaluation of computers. Next is transistor. Transistor used in second generation computer. It is electronic component used to transistor resistance. This is a transistor. Then IC. IC is used in third generation computer. IC means integrated circuit. Multiple transistors are embedded on a single silicon chip, which is known as semiconductor material, normally silicons. This is a IC. Then microprocessor. Multiple transistors are embedded on single silicon chips using VLSI or large scale integration techniques. This is a microprocessor. Then AI. This is an example of future generation. Artificial intelligence is exhibited by machines. In computer science, an ideal intelligent machine is flexible, rational agent that perceives its environment and takes action that maximizes its change of success at some goal. Then architecture of computer. The architecture of computer is basically start from von Neumann architecture, which is also known as Princeton architecture. This is a computer architecture based on derived in the 1945 by mathematician and physicist John von Neumann and other in the first draft of the report on the ADVAC. This is a basically architecture of a computer that is derived by von Neumann. Then components used in architecture given by von Neumann. First is CPU. CPU is central processing unit, and in that time CPU is very large in size. It is electronic circuitry within a computer that carries out the instruction of computer program by performing the basic arithmetic logical control and input-output operation specified by the instructions. Then memory. Generally backing tubes are used for memory in von Neumann architecture. Input-output devices like punch card, paper tape and magnetic tape were used as input and output devices. Von Neumann versus Harvard architecture. Harvard also give his architecture, but it not gain its popularity as much as von Neumann architecture. No. See, what is the difference between von Neumann and Harvard architecture? Von Neumann allow instruction and data to be mixed and stored in the same memory module, but the Harvard architecture use separate memory module for instruction and for data. Von Neumann architecture is more flexible and easier to implement, but it is also easier to pipeline and there is no memory alignment problems. Suitable for most of general purpose processor, suitable for DSP. DSP is digital signal processor. Then some facts about computer. ENIAC is the first computer. The first RAM came in 1947. The first mechanical computer was designed by Blaise Pascal. That machine known as Pascaline. Then references. References are Fundamental of Computer by Anita Goel, Computer System Architecture by Maurice Mano, and there is some websites. Then thank you.